In the 1950s, the U.S. military began equipping the compact M274 mechanical mule multi-purpose small truck, which was very suitable for the transportation of supplies within the base and could also be used for certain distance wilderness transport tasks. However, the U.S. military retired it in the 1980s because the senior leadership at the time believed that it could be replaced by the new Humvee military vehicle, and it was not necessary to duplicate the equipment. However, the U.S. military quickly realized that the Humvee was not as agile as the M274, so in the 1990s, they repurchased similar John Deere M-Crocodile all-terrain vehicles. The Crocodile series of vehicles are a series of multifunctional vehicles developed by John Deere in the 1990s, with various configurations such as 4-wheel, 5-wheel, and 6-wheel, among which the M-Crocodile is a dedicated 6-wheel military model, officially purchased and used by the U.S. Army in 1997. The Crocodile is slightly larger in size than the M274, with a basic structure similar to a Jeep, with the engine compartment at the front of the vehicle housing a 18-horsepower 3-cylinder diesel engine, which powers the rear 2 axles, with the front wheels responsible for steering. This allows the vehicle, weighing 750 kilograms, to reach a maximum speed of 30 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of approximately 250 kilometers. The rear of the engine compartment is an open cab, which can accommodate 2 people, including the driver. Behind the cab is a cargo box, the side panels of which can be folded flat to accommodate larger items. There is also a small cargo basket above the front engine compartment, which not only increases the cargo capacity but also helps balance the center of gravity. The Crocodile has a payload capacity of 570 kilograms, exceeding the M274 by over 100 kilograms. The Crocodile is mainly used for various tasks within the base, so it does not require high speed and armor protection, and it is not equipped with fixed vehicle-mounted weapons. Subsequent improved models have enhanced vehicle power, using a 20-horsepower internal combustion engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, providing better fuel economy and off-road capability. The vehicle can also be equipped with a self-rescue winch, run-flat tires, and a self-dumping cargo compartment. The vehicle is compact, with a length of only 2.74 meters, a width of 1.52 meters, and a height of 1.1 meters. It can be airlifted by helicopter or airdropped to ground forces. As a flexible multi-purpose vehicle, there are approximately 4,500 Crocodiles in service with the U.S. Army, and some are also in the hands of the U.S. Marine Corps. It has served in Afghanistan and has also been provided to the military of countries such as Afghanistan, Belgium, and Canada. Over a decade ago, John Deere also collaborated with iRobo to create a remote-controlled vehicle called the R-Crocodile, based on the M-Crocodile, equipped with a GPS positioning system, front laser sensors, rear obstacle detection radar, wireless control unit, video system, etc., to replace manned equipment for patrol, transport, rescue, and other tasks. Currently, the M-Crocodile is still in service, with some retired vehicles being sold, but apparently not to private individuals, only to certain government agencies. However, the Crocodile series has several civilian versions available for selection.